Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Google Drive folder shareable. So if you guys want to make your folder to be able to be shared to your friends or maybe colleagues, I can show you how. So here is my folder on my Google drive, and what you can do is you can just right click on the folder that you want to change to become shareable. Right click and then click on share, and here at the general access section you just need to change it from restricted to anyone with the link. So if the general access is restricted, only people who have access can access the folder, but you can change it into anyone with the link. So after that, you can just copy the link and share it to friends or others, or you can also add the specific people in here. You can add their uh email in here. For example, this one, I'm going to share it with this person, and then you can choose their role, whether and as the viewer, commenter, or editor. And after that, just click on send, and they will be notified that they have access into the folder. Okay, so that's the easiest way to make a Google Drive folder shareable. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment. And if you like the video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!